welcome. I have another breakfast recipe just for you. The ingredients are cucumber, avocado, shredded coconut, half a cup of water. All these ingredients are readily available in the market and you can get them anywhere. So it's cheap and it's readily available. To get this shredded coconut, please see my video on do-it-yourself coconut milk, DIY coconut milk. So these are all the ingredients. I used half avocado because I think that should be enough for me. Put all these ingredients in the blender, add water, and then blend. Now, that's it. This has more nutrients and is better than the pap, so try it. I prefer to take this without any sweetener, but you can add stevia if you want. Try this with my signature moyinmoyin and let me have your comments. You can see the details about the moyinmoyin in my last video and it is really very good. Try this moyinmoyin and enjoy. I am not testing this meal because I know what the result is going to be. Try it yourself, test yourself, and leave a comment in the comment section below. You need to eat better food to reverse your diabetes. Change your lifestyle. Life is good. Look out for more in my next video. God bless you.